How to add pricing tables to Hostinger website builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create some pricing tables and add them to your website of Hostinger. So the process is going to be very easy. So you're going to head over hostinger.com, click on the website selector as you can see in here. So after you have signed in into your account, obviously you're going to see the website lists in here, and then we are going basically to select the website that we want to add that feature to. Basically, I'm going to select one of the websites, for example this one, click on edit website and wait for the website editor to load up. Once we have the website editor loaded, we're going to begin adding the pricing table. But first, how we can add that pricing table? I usually use Canva for adding tables. And for the pricing tables, I can go ahead and get a genius idea or a genius design on adding it here without making it, let's say, boring. So we are going to click on the search bar of Canva. For example, we are going to type in pricing table, just like that. And then we're going to search for the results in here. So as you can see, we have the pricing tables. You can go ahead and use one of the pricing tables that we have. We have the comparison pricing tables, we have the price lists, and etc. So we can do that, which is going to be a method or a process which is going to have a taste or its own taste, because we have some designs or some professional designs used in here. And we can use also some all of the traditional ways, which is going to be table generator or tables generator. You can go ahead and create a tables generator in here. And as you can see, we can add whatever we want. For example, we are going to add a new table. You can add rows, the columns, and etc. And then at the end, you're going to have a code, and that code is going to be copied and pasted to the specific, as you can see, section that we are going to add. So it is going to be your choice of having here the HTML. As you can see, we best to have the HTML table. As you can see, you can go ahead and modify table, for example, price here, for example, or element. And here we are going to have price. And for example, here's something like, I don't know, here additions or something like that. And you can go ahead and have this instead. So it is going to be your choice of having the specific table of yours, for example, or you can go ahead and head over the Canva and click on customize, create, for example, a 1280 by 720, as you can see, design, and start adding up the table by clicking on elements, type in table, and you're going to see different tables, for example, like this. Or you can go ahead and have this one, which is going to be adding or with the specific, as you can see, redlining. You can go ahead and extend it into this, and you can go ahead and hide the margins. So I can go ahead and hide the margins, but I better let it as it is, like this, because maybe of the as you can see, finishing lines are not going to be appearing into the design if we are going to have it as a PNG. So you can go ahead and add your pricing table in here, add the information, for example, different information, download it as a PNG, and install it right away. So I'm going to give you here the two options. So we are going to add here a blank section. The first option is going to be adding an image like that. And that image is going to be changed. So you're going basically here to upload your photo just like that and wait for it. And the second image or the second option is going to be something else. So we are going to have this table, as you can see, like that. Or we can have here a code, embed code. We're going to have it in here. And then we're going to have it just like that. So basically, I'm going to generate, copy to the clipboard, have it right there, have your table or the price table in here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next.